on. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and refrain from moving about the cabin or using the washrooms at this time. Should that seatbelt sign be turned off during our flight, we still strongly recommend that while you are seated, you leave your seatbelt fastened. Also, if you are hoping to sleep on our flight over to Toronto, we just ask that you leave your seatbelt fastened so that it's visible to your flight attendants, as that seatbelt sign could be turned on at any point during our flight, and we'd like to not wake you. For your information, there are 3 washrooms located on board today. 1 washroom in the forward of the cabin and 2 washrooms located in the rear of the cabin. All these washrooms are equipped with sensitive smoke detectors, and tampering with those smoke detectors are federal offenses. We have just reactivated the complimentary live seatback television for your viewing pleasure. All the controls for the channel, volume,